Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to speak on an important governance topic: public versus private sector accountability. Accountability is the cornerstone of any effective system of governance because it ensures that power is exercised responsibly, resources are used properly, and decisions are made in the best interest of stakeholders. However, accountability operates differently in the public and private sectors due to their distinct purposes, structures, and responsibilities. Let us begin with the public sector. The public sector exists primarily to serve the public interest. Its institutions are responsible for providing essential services such as education, healthcare, security, and infrastructure. Since these institutions are funded by taxpayers' money, they are directly accountable to citizens. This public accountability is both moral and legal in nature. In the public sector, accountability is broad and multi-layered. Government officials and public servants are accountable not only for financial management, but also for policy decisions, service delivery, and social outcomes. Their actions are subject to scrutiny through parliaments, courts, audit institutions, oversight bodies, the media, and ultimately the electorate. Transparency is a key requirement, as citizens have the right to know how public resources are allocated and used. Failures in public sector accountability can lead to corruption, misuse of resources, poor service delivery, and loss of public trust. In addition, public sector accountability is often political. Elected representatives must justify their decisions to voters, and poor performance can result in electoral defeat. This democratic dimension makes public sector accountability wider in scope, but also more complex and slower in practice. Now, let us turn to the private sector. The private sector is primarily driven by profit and efficiency. Its main accountability is toward owners, shareholders, investors, and customers. Unlike the public sector, private organizations do not exist to serve the general public directly, but to create value through goods and services. Accountability in the private sector is largely enforced through market mechanisms. Poor performance, unethical behavior, or financial mismanagement can lead to loss of customers, declining share prices, or business failure. Internal governance structures, such as boards of directors, internal audits, and corporate policies, also play a key role. Financial accountability is particularly strong, as companies are required to maintain accurate records and comply with regulatory standards. However, private sector accountability is usually narrower in scope. While companies must obey the law and meet regulatory requirements, they are not obligated to disclose as much information as public institutions. Certain data, such as trade secrets or competitive strategies, are legitimately kept confidential. At the same time, growing awareness of corporate social responsibility has increased expectations that private firms should also be accountable for their social, environmental, and ethical impacts. The key differences between public and private sector accountability arise from their objectives. The public sector prioritizes collective welfare, equity, and long-term social outcomes, which requires extensive transparency and public oversight. The private sector prioritizes profitability and efficiency, with accountability focused on financial performance and customer satisfaction. The consequences of accountability failure also differ. Weak accountability in the public sector can harm entire populations by undermining public services and democratic trust. In the private sector, accountability failures may lead to financial losses, consumer harm, or economic instability, but market forces often provide faster corrective mechanisms. In today's world, the boundaries between the two sectors are increasingly blurred through public-private partnerships and outsourcing. This makes accountability more challenging, as responsibilities must be clearly defined to avoid gaps where no actor takes responsibility. In conclusion, both public and private sector accountability are essential for a well-functioning society. While their mechanisms and scope differ, the ultimate goal is the same: to ensure responsible use of power, ethical conduct, and trust. Strong public accountability supports democracy and social justice, while effective private sector accountability promotes economic stability and sustainable growth. A balanced and complementary approach to accountability in both sectors is therefore vital for long-term development. Thank you.